Now I'm going to introduce something called point-slope form. It's very similar to slope-intercept form, with just a little bit of difference. It's almost the exact same method. So I am just going to draw a point here, and then while I'm doing this, I'm just going to count out loud. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, and then I'm going to go to the right 1, right 2, right 3. I'm going to put a point there. This is the equation for the line, and I'm going to show you how to do it in point slope form. So I'm going to connect this just to make it look prettier. So I said up 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I went to the right 1, 2, 3. So this line has a slope of 4 over 3, or 4/3. Now, again, I have to write out the coordinates of these points. So this point is 2, 1. The other one is -1, 1, 2, 3, -1, -3. And nothing's changed. This is still my x, that's still my y, this is still my x, that is still my y. Right. Now, one difference for point slope form, it's y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Right. Almost the same as slope-intercept form. You still have a y and an x, just like in the slope-intercept form. Now this time, remember -1, -3, 2, 1. You still have to put in those numbers into the point-slope equation. So where do they go? They go right here, where the x1 and y1 are. And the m, the slope, is still exactly the same. We just calculated it was 4/3. Again, put it where the x1, y1 are. So I'm going to use 2, 1 because they're both positive. I like dealing with positive numbers. So the 2 is the x1 value. The 1 is the y1 value. So that's where you throw in the 2 and the 1. Everything else you leave alone. The m, we just calculated it. That's 4/3. And there you go.